A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we came one of the most powerful love spell in the world. This spell is very powerful, accurate and instant result spell. This spell is very simple. Anyone can do it, and this spell will give result instant for sure. For this spell you have to take a plain paper and a marker or sketch pen that could be any color. This spell you can do at any time, any day, but this spell is for only for true lover. To start this spell we don't have to buy any ingredients or anything that you can't buy or expensive. This is very simple. You have to take only two things, that's it. First of all, this spell is for true lover. True lovers. And you have to know what is the name of your lover. For example, your lover's name is Tina. You have to write your lover's name on the first place. Like for example, your name is Tom and you are doing this spell on your girlfriend or your ex-lover. You have to write her name on the first place. You have to write Tina here. After that you have to make a sign of plus for twice. One first sign should be smaller than second. And after that you have to write your name is Tom. What you have to do after that, you have to make these lines around the names of your and her name. You have to cover up your and her name like with this. And what you have to do, you have to write some magical words like get Tina back in. You can write your here my or Tom's life. Like this. After that you have to draw two lines down of this and you have to make a two sign here on the paper, and after that you have to fold this paper like this. Four times towards you. Keep one thing in your mind, you have to fold this paper towards you for 4 times. After that what you have to do, you have to take this paper under your pillow for 24 hours. After that you will see that your lover is starting to calling you, trying to come back in your life, start communicate with you after this spell. If you have any kind of problem in this spell, you can call us on our number that is showing on the screen. Thanks for call us. Thanks for watch our video. Please like and subscribe this video and share. Thank you.